Good morning. This is Greg at the Pocatello National Weather Service office with the weather hazard briefing for Thursday, September 5th, 2024. We're going to have generally dry conditions, clear skies today. There will be some smoke around most areas from the wildfires continuing in the northwestern part of the area. The key points, we're going to be under high pressure through Saturday with the dry conditions. Again, we're going to have some smoke, some air quality issues again today under that high pressure. The smoke should start to improve later today, and then especially on Saturday as we get into a more southerly flow aloft. That's also going to create very warm conditions with above normal temperatures today through the weekend, well into the 80s in valleys and 70s to lower 80s in the mountains. We're going to have a weak system move through on Sunday with some afternoon, mainly mountain showers, isolated thunderstorms on Sunday. And looking at the satellite loop, again, no clouds at all. We do have a lot of smoke around, especially in the Sawtooth region, into the Sun Valley area. And then that extends somewhat through the south, through the southern highlands, Snake River Plain as well. So we will continue to have that smoke today. Looking at the current watches, advisories, the gray area is all the areas under a air quality advisory today for some moderately poor conditions. Again, this extends Custer, Blaine County, down south through Burley, Cassia, Minidoka, and northeast through Power, Bannock, Bingham counties. So again, all those areas under air quality advisories through today. The weather risk outlook, again, not much at all other than some minor problems. Most areas where we have closer to the wildfires, we have some moderate to major air quality problems. The Sawtooth, Wood River areas today and Friday. Then with the southerly flow, things are going to improve on Saturday. And then we have the slight chance of showers on Sunday across mainly mountain areas. And it should be dry again Monday. Generally, it's going to be dry everywhere, but there will be those isolated showers, thunderstorms Sunday in the southeast corner on Monday. Looking at the national map, high pressure dominates Idaho. Again, dry conditions. No chance of precipitation at all today. High temperatures, very warm. You can see most areas back into the 80s. Generally, Idaho Falls through Pocatello to Burley, Twin Falls, mid to upper 80s. Again, even some of the mountain valleys well into the 80s. So again, we're back into very warm conditions. It will cool down nicely overnight. Lows, mountain valleys in the 30s. And again, pretty much 40s most areas overnight tonight. And Friday, again, dominated by high pressure, dry conditions. And highs on Friday getting well into the 80s. Some areas maybe close to 90, extending from Pocatello through Burley. But again, well above normal. We should be right around 80 at Pocatello and mid-upper 70s Stanley. We'll be getting dry, minimum humidity on Friday, generally 15 to 25%. And the min temperature Saturday, again, cooling off pretty nicely, 30s and 40s. Most areas. And again, very hot on Saturday. A lot of the Snake River Plain very close to 90 degrees. And even 70s into the lower 80s across the mountain regions. Looking ahead, 6 to 10-day outlook running the 10th through the 14th of September. Idaho still forecast to have a much better chance, 60 to 80% chance of above normal temperatures continuing. And kind of a mixture, generally equal chances of above and below normal precipitation. So again, the summary, the main impacts the next couple days will be some smoke and air quality advisories in effect for much of southeastern Idaho. The smoke should begin to get a little bit better Friday and Saturday as we get back to a southerly flow aloft. That will bring extremely warm temperatures. And the next chance for any showers, isolated thunderstorms, will be on Sunday, mainly in the mountains. So that will conclude the briefing. If you have any questions, contact us at the number listed at the bottom here 24 hours a day. Visit our website and also view us on Facebook. Thank you. Everyone have a good day today.